The monsoons are here and we have a whole lot of little problems that we face, like for example colds and coughs and flu, and apart from that we have dandruff, we have little prickly heat, we have little pimples, and in aromatherapy we have a solution for all that during the monsoons, and here it is. It's eucalyptus. Excellent oil, eucalyptus. You can use it for all these things. So let's tell you how we can go about it. One is, if you have, you get colds regularly, this is one thing that we normally do. So you take a few drops, rub it under your feet, and then you can just go out. You don't need to wash it off or anything. This protects you from any flu, colds, coughs, anything like that. And it can be used for children, for older people, for anyone. And for those who are working and going out a lot in the rain, this is fantastic. Now, the other problem that we have, of course, is dandruff. Now, dandruff, you will find that you get a lot of dandruff during the monsoons. Another thing is you could also get fungal infections during the monsoons because, wet hair and we leave it like that and it turns into a fungal infection. And eucalyptus is your answer for that. So what you can do is you can take a last mug of water, put a few drops of eucalyptus into it, and then apply it over your hair and massage it, in fact, into your hair. The other thing, of course, we get little pimples, we get prickly heat, and that it's very, very irritating on our body. Before you have a shower, put a few drops of this on a towel, apply it all over and have a shower. Or you can use this as your last rinse. So this is really good. And of course, to keep the air feeling good, feeling not so damp and really pepping you up, you use eucalyptus in a diffuser at home. That is going to brighten up your house. The other way you can use eucalyptus, of course, is if you feel that, you're getting a cold or something, you can steam. Just put a bowl of water, put a few drops, and you can inhale the eucalyptus. This helps a great deal. So eucalyptus is a wonderful oil and I highly recommend it during the monsoons. It's wonderful. It's kept me and my family really healthy during the monsoons.